Hi guys, so this tutorial is related with adding a file upload to your contact form 7. So at the bottom here, file upload, but not just having the file upload and enabling customers and clients to be able to upload the file, but the other important aspect is making sure that this attachment is received in your inbox, in your mail inbox, because there's one step. If it's not completed, then you won't receive that attachment, even though they can actually upload the file. So if we go here, let's delete this. So we go here, we add file, and then this here, you can set file size limit in bytes. So the quickest way to do this is just to go to a byte converter website. So just go to Google, type in byte conversion, and then this is just one that I randomly selected. So let's say we set the limit to 2 megabytes. Okay, so this is our conversion in bytes. So this is the number that we want. So just copying this and pasting it in here, which I've already done. And then acceptable file types, it's just adding them in. Okay, PDF, PNG, JPEG, whatever it is. Acceptable file type, so this has to be put in with a separator with no spacing. Okay, we can click required field if we like, and then this all populates down here. So let's insert tag. Okay, make sure we click save, and then we're going to have this here, which I'm sure we know about. We copy this, and we make sure we paste it here. We can put a title here if we like, and makes it neater in our inbox. But the last and final stage is to make sure that we put it here. If we don't put it in here, then we're not actually going to receive that file attachment within our inbox. Okay guys, thanks for watching.